Imagine you're working on a groundbreaking AI project, tasked with training models to predict patient health outcomes or develop self-driving cars. You've got a tight deadline, but the performance you need to deliver is simply not possible with traditional computing hardware. That's where the NVIDIA DGX Spark personal AI desktop supercomputer comes in. A compact, energy-efficient powerhouse that can deliver up to 1 petaflop of AI performance right at your desk. But can it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The AI landscape is changing rapidly, and the traditional computing infrastructure is struggling to keep pace. We're talking about complex tasks like model fine-tuning, inference, and analytics that require enormous processing power and specialized architectures. Existing solutions often come in the form of large, cumbersome clusters or underpowered laptops that just can't deliver the performance you need. But the NVIDIA DGX Spark personal AI desktop supercomputer takes a different approach. A compact, energy-efficient design that packs the power of a supercomputer onto your desk. It's an attractive proposition indeed, especially for professionals and organizations working on AI projects that require top-notch performance. Let's start with the build quality and design of the NVIDIA DGX Spark personal AI desktop supercomputer. The moment you take it out of the box, you're struck by its sleek, compact design. The GB10 Grace Blackwell chip is nestled discreetly inside, its tiny architecture hiding immense processing power. The exterior is made of high-quality materials that exude durability and premium feel. You can tell this is built to last. But the true testament to its build quality lies in its usability. With an intuitive interface that integrates seamlessly with the full NVIDIA AI software stack, you can quickly and easily get started with your projects. The DGX Spark is designed from the ground up to meet the demands of AI professionals, and it shows. Now, let's dive into the features that make this supercomputer so powerful. Firstly, the NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell chip is a marvel of modern engineering. Its 10-core architecture combines staggering processing power with ultra-low latency, making it an ideal choice for tasks like model fine-tuning, inference, and analytics. But what really sets the DGX Spark apart is its ability to perform these tasks with unprecedented efficiency. By leveraging the power of PCIe 5.0 and PCIe 40 lanes, it can handle even the most computationally intensive tasks without breaking a sweat. This level of performance is simply unprecedented in a personal desktop supercomputer. Another key feature of the NVIDIA DGX Spark personal AI desktop supercomputer is its ability to seamlessly integrate with the full NVIDIA AI software stack. From the intuitive deep learning framework to the powerful cuDNN library, every tool you need to develop, train, and deploy AI models is right at your fingertips. This integration is seamless and intuitive, making it easier than ever to get started with your AI projects. But what does this really mean in terms of performance? Let's take a look at some real-world use cases. Imagine you're working on a healthcare project, tasked with training a model to predict patient health outcomes based on vast amounts of clinical data. With the NVIDIA DGX Spark personal AI desktop supercomputer, you can train and deploy this model in a matter of hours, rather than weeks or even months. This is thanks to the unprecedented processing power and efficiency of the GB10 Grace Blackwell chip, combined with the seamless integration with the NVIDIA AI software stack. Of course, with any product, there are pros and cons. One potential drawback of the NVIDIA DGX Spark personal AI desktop supercomputer is its price. At $149,000, it's certainly an investment, and not everyone will be able to justify the cost. However, when you consider the level of performance and efficiency it provides, it's arguable that this is simply the best return on investment available in the market today. In terms of competition, the NVIDIA DGX Spark personal AI desktop supercomputer stands head and shoulders above the rest. While traditional computing hardware can struggle to keep up with the demands of AI, the DGX Spark is specifically designed to meet these needs, with unprecedented processing power and efficiency. Other competing solutions may offer similar performance, but they often come in the form of larger, more cumbersome clusters that require a significant investment in hardware and infrastructure. In conclusion, the NVIDIA DGX Spark personal AI desktop supercomputer is an absolute game-changer for AI professionals and organizations working on high-performance computing projects. With its compact, energy-efficient design and unparalleled processing power, it's the perfect solution for tasks like model fine-tuning, inference, and analytics. While the price may be intimidating, we believe this is simply the best return on investment available in the market today. So what are you waiting for? If you're serious about taking your AI projects to the next level, look no further than the NVIDIA DGX Spark personal AI desktop supercomputer. With its unparalleled performance and efficiency, it's the perfect solution for professionals and organizations working on high-performance computing projects. Contact your NVIDIA representative today to learn more and take the first step towards unlocking the true potential of your AI projects.